What do you do when it's hot outside? If you're like most people, you turn on the AC to keep cool in your home, or head to a coffee shop to escape the heat. The thing is, there are plenty of times when the weather prevents you from heading inside. It might be too hot or humid outside to travel comfortably, or maybe just not convenient to go somewhere indoors. BreezeNova, the portable air conditioner, aims to improve living comfort by releasing an inviting cool breeze. Designed with unique features such as air conditioning mode and 2 different fan speeds, and a Bluetooth speaker for continuous play, no matter where you are, it offers amazing convenience. With an extremely quiet operating noise at 48 decibels, you can easily enjoy sleeping with your device running. A conveniently attached exhaust hose is added to direct any heat from the device out your window. The convenient wheels and retractable handle make it easy to carry and travel with. Unlike our competitors, BreezeNova can quickly cool down the room and is equipped with a simple touchscreen control panel. There's also a backup power bank that has 3 Type-C ports and 3 USB ports, which provide support when the power goes out. With a basic installation that only takes 5 minutes and heat drains attached already included, it guarantees effortless installation. And don't forget, this is also backed up with a mosquito repellent mechanism. Now when looking for a quality air conditioning unit, look no further than BreezeNova.
Anywhere you go, take control of your comfort with the new, affordable and portable Cosmos Daisy air conditioner and heater. Everyone who has ever worked in an office knows it's never the right temperature, and no combination of sweaters, coats, or scarves seem to fix it. Luckily, there's a new, affordable solution for all of your temperature needs. Introducing the Cosmos Daisy, a revolutionary heater-cooler for your office and home. With its sleek, small, and modern design, the Cosmos Daisy looks great in any room. Its easy-to-use interface ensures precision temperature control all year round. Using thermoelectric cooling and heating technology, the Daisy uses 20 semiconductors to heat or cool to your liking. These small semiconductors allow the Daisy to be compact, lightweight, and still heat and cool any environment to your liking. This small footprint makes it easy to take the Cosmos Daisy anywhere you need it. Sleek, modern, advanced, affordable comfort. The Cosmos Daisy. Click here to order yours today.